Hi, this is an unboxing video, and it's an unboxing of a box I haven't had for a good few months, but it was the design of the box that got me. It is Birchbox. This is April's edition of Birchbox, and it's a special edition one. It's a Cath Kidston one. This box is beautiful. It is so pretty. So if you're new to Birchbox, as I always do with my videos, I'll just give you a quick lowdown about what it is. It is a beauty subscription service, and it costs, ooh, get fluff off my nose. It costs £12.95 per month, and you can cancel any time. Inside you get about 5 items, and because I haven't had this box for a couple of months, when I signed back up, I had free gifts. So before I open this, I'll just show you my free gift. So it's a Model Co, and it's a black eyeliner. I wasn't expecting this. I knew about the other 2 items which I'll show you, but I wasn't expecting this one, so that's a bit of a surprise. So that's quite nice. And then we've got this gorgeous Spectrum brush, and it's an A04 brush. It is so pretty. I love these brushes. Really soft, but I love this sort of style of brush. Really good for like highlight. Oh, no, I love it. So I'm happy with that. And then another item then is a Cargo blush, and it's in Sunset Beach. That's what it looks like there. It's super tiny, but because it's the sort of colours I don't usually go for a blush, I'm going to pop that into my giveaway box. So whenever I hit 3k, I'll be doing a giveaway, so look out for that. I do have a code, a refer a friend code, which entitles you to £5 off your box. So that's quite a good saving, but it's up to you if you want to use it or not. Everything will be listed down below, and all the items that are inside this box I will search online, and then I'll put them in the description as well. So if you're curious to see what they're all about, and if you're interested in buying, then they'll all be there. Just click on the show more, and that'll bring up the description, and all my links and stuff will be there, including the refer a friend code. So let's open it. I'll just show you first, as I always do, without tipping it out. Is it a good one? Is it a good one? Right, hold on. Let's try and get the leaflet. Here's the leaflet. So you get a leaflet inside every Birchbox, and it outlines all the product items that are inside the box, and it tells you whether it's full size, sample size, and it tells you the cost as well, from memory anyway. Let's have a quick look. Yeah, it tells you the cost, and it tells you your sneak peek for May. So May's sneak peek is a douce, and it's a luscious lip stain, and you can either choose steamy red or amber rose. Oh, ooh. There you go. So I'm not sure yet if I'll stick for another month or not. I normally do 2 months at a time. I'm not sure. So what I normally do, I grab an item, show you, have a look, have a sniff, whatever, and then I have a read. So the first item is a Cath Kidston, and it's a hand lotion. This packaging is so pretty, isn't it? Beautiful. So this hand lotion is 30 mils. Oh, it hasn't got a seal thing on. That's a bit odd. Right, let's try it. Quite florally, as you'd expect from the actual design. It is quite rosy smells, which is not my thing, but it's not bad. It is not bad at all. It's not strong then. So, oh, I've just noticed here, it says, this month we've teamed up with their iconic British brand Cath Kidston to celebrate their 25th birthday. Yes, they've been cheering people up for the past quarter of a century, so we couldn't think of a better partner to bring a little sunshine to your month. So that's why they've chosen Cath Kidston. From what I gather, this has changed a little bit from when I last had the box. It gives me colour-coded things. I'm dyslexic, so these things take me a while to work out. So it says on here, on the Birchbox website, you could buy this for £2.50, and it's a Birchbox exclusive. So it doesn't say if it's a full size, travel size, or whatever, but no, that's quite a nice size, a really good, handy, pop in your bag type size. So it says it's, along with the usual suspects found in your handbag, keys, mobile phone, or receipts, we'd recommend saving a spot off for this hand cream. Not only is the exclusive birthday rose packaging as pretty as a picture, but the floral lotion inside will leave your skin feeling silky, soft, and smooth. So yeah, so not great on the smell, but the feel, it feels really nice. So that's my first item. Second item, oh, I've had this before, I'm not sure which box, but I do like it. I do love this brand. It's Percy & Reed London, and it's the hair range, and it's called Firm Session Hold Hairspray, and this is a 50ml. So this is a sample size, I think, or a travel size, because I have seen them a bit bigger. So it's nice. I have used it before, and I do like it. So this is a yellow. So this says down here in the colour coding that it's a 4-star review on Birchbox. So yeah, a lot of people like it. And the recommended retail price is £12.50. I wouldn't have thought that's £12.50. That's quite a lot for a little one, but It's all confusing me a bit. But if you're interested, alongside all the links to these products in this box, I will put in brackets whether it's a definite full size or a sample size or travel size, whatever, inside the box, so that you know what it is. Just a few spritz over your finished style will provide a strong hold without weighing your strands down. It also combats frizz and flyaways, so your beachy waves or top knot will look great all day long. So no, quite happy with that as well. I haven't got some at the moment, so that's the second item. Oh, I've had this as well, but I don't know where. Oh, I can't remember. This is a Marcel and it's a BB cream. It's Golden Glow. I'm sure I've had this in Look Fantastic as one of my samples. And it's oil-free, perfume-free, hypoallergenic, and it's 10 mils. And it's a skin enhancer. So it's an illuminator. There you go. I can't remember what it was like on my skin. I just remember receiving it, and I'm sure I had it in a Feel Unique. You can get 5 samples for £3.95 a month. So yeah. So yeah. Okay, so this says that this is a yellow, which means it has a 4-star review on Birchbox, and it's also a Birchbox exclusive. Now, I'm assuming this is a sample. It's got to be, because I had it from Feel Unique, exactly the same size. So for the full size, it would cost you £25.50, and it says, great for days when you want to glow that only 8 hours of sleep will give you. This hypoallergenic formula makes it easy to achieve smooth, dewy skin. In fact, it hydrates and calms, even tones, controls shine, blurs fine lines, and boosts radiance, I should say. So no, quite happy with that. Yeah, really happy to try it. I can't remember what my thoughts were last time. So the next item, something green. What is this? Ooh, Fill and Tame brow gel, cruelty free. Ooh, Full and Tame. I've never heard of that before. Right, I'll just take this wrapper off. What colour is it in? Blonde. That's quite good, because even though I'm not blonde and my sort of colouring is, if you use Benefit brow products, I always go for the number 3, which is sort of middle of the range. But usually when it comes to things like this, I tend to go for the blondes, because the browns, brunettes are just too dark and I don't like it. But no, that looks quite a nice colour for me. I know, I look forward to trying that. I really do. See if it's up to par with Gimme Brow, because they've got one similar as well. So this is a full-size item, and the recommended retail price is £8.60. So it's by Botanique Beauty, and it's a Fill and Tame brow gel, and it's in blonde, brunette or black. So yeah, I forgot to say, on Birchbox you do get to create your own personal profile. So maybe they chose the blonde for me because I've said that I'm a redhead and it's more suited possibly. But yeah, so you get to choose, you get to say what your skin tone is, your hair colour, your length, thinness, thickness, all that personal stuff, it's there. So it's actually nice that something is specifically for you then, that it's aimed at you. The colour. Sorry if I'm not making sense. Right. Starting at the inner edge of your brow and moving outward, use short strokes to define and shape with a precision tip brush, enriched with aloe leaf extract and glycerin, so there's no risk of crunchy or sticky brow hairs. No, I'm really excited to try that. Wow, no, good. So my last item. Oh, it feels really small. What is it? It's a Model Co, and it's a baked highlighter. Ah, we had to choose this. This is our sneak peek from last month. So when I signed up, I had to choose what colour I wanted. So I've opted for Moonshine. This is super tiny. It is really, really tiny. But there you go. That's the outer packaging. Oh, that is so small. It is 1.5 grams. Yeah, it's super tiny. Oh my word. Oh, it's so pretty though. Oh, it's really pretty. Can you see there? Right, let's try it. Oh, it's nice too. It is really nice. There. I'm not sure if it will pick up on the camera, but it's right there. Ooh, oh, I love this. Really, really nice. I would use that as a, like, in the corner eye, or anywhere on my eye actually. That's pretty. That's really, really pretty. But it's a slight colour highlighter, which is gorgeous with a tan, this colour anyway. I'm not sure what the other colours were. I think it was more pinky. This is a Birchbox exclusive and it's a sample size. The recommended retail price for the full size is £24. So this is a Model Co baked highlighter. This baked treat is an instant complexion illuminator. Just swirl a fluffy brush across a marble powder and sweep over cheekbones for that lit from within glow. No, I quite like that. So yeah, and I can't wait to try it. It looks really, really lovely. Gorgeous glowy gold colour. So that's my items there. I'll just gather them all up. So there you go. So those are the 5 items I received in this month's Birchbox. Now, because some of them are sample sizes, it's really hard to actually put a price towards them. The only full-size item I can see is this brow tamer here, which was £8.60. But then I'm sure the bigger sizes are more like about £18 to £20 of these hairsprays, and this one's £12.50, so that might well be a smaller version and £12.50 is a price. I think so. I will find out and I will let you know. But you're looking at around £23, £24 without pricing the samples, so way over what you pay for the box. So no, I'm quite chuffed actually. I am quite chuffed. I like this. I've tried it before. Highlighter is absolutely gorgeous. Brow time. I can't talk. Brow tamer is quite nice as well. I can't wait to try it. And this BB cream, I'm sure I tried it before, but I can't remember. So yeah, from my first box for a good couple of months, I am quite impressed with it, especially with my other freebies and that Spectrum brush, which was gorgeous. So no, I'm quite chuffed. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this review. Have you received this month's box? Did you get anything different to me? I'm always curious to know what you all got. So yeah, so let me know down below and I'll comment back. Thanks for watching, and if you haven't done so already, it'd be lovely if you subscribe to my channel for more videos to come, and I'll speak to you soon. Take care, bye bye.